Hey everybody, it's Mindy. Yep, I have another package. And this one, I was asked to look at Easter things. Yes, because Easter is coming. And this made it in time for Easter. Anyhow, let's show you what we have. And this one, we're going to do this first because I'm super excited about this one. Yes, let's move this stuff aside and let me show you that. Yes. Thank you, Newhomy. This is something I have just recently seen, and I am excited to see this. Let me show you what it is. Yeah, cool. Okay, so we have, let's unroll it. Okay, so this is like a, I don't know, it's not canvas. It's kind of a plasticky feel. Okay. Oh, wow. It says something on the back. What's it say on the back? Wow. Okay. 2021. It's like a little grocery bag is what it is. You know, when you go to the store, you want to put your groceries in there. 2021. Recycle. Buy. Food. See? So, yeah, it opens up like this. Has a flat bottom. You could go to the grocery store and you can put, you know, your little groceries in there after you shop. But it's diamond painted. You guys, look at it. Cute, right? So all of this background, you see all the flowers and stuff around the background, that's all just printed on here. It's not, you know what I'm talking about. The kind of material I'm talking about. If you go to the store and you buy one of these bags for your groceries, you know what I mean, right? It's not plastic, but it's, you know, vinyl. Maybe it's vinyl. We'll call it vinyl. Okay, but look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at all the little drills you put on that. So this is all sticky under here. This would probably be something I would put some sealer on if I was going to use it. You know what I mean? After I paint it, I would put sealer so that things stay on it. And just a sealer you could just like paint right on. You know what I mean? Maybe an aqua glue or something. Yeah. I had to. That is so cute. And they were reasonably priced. I think it was like, they were under $10. $7, $8, something like that. Here's a toolkit so you can go that way. So you can complete it. This is fun. Fun. It's got special shapes. And okay, this is fun. Love it. Okay. I mean, you definitely don't have to use it for your groceries. You could use it for whatever you want to put in it. Carry some books around, a notebook, whatever. Maybe I could put my gym stuff in it. Okay, so this has got, all right, it's got regular drills. Okay, so instead of rhinestones, we have regular drills. So we have white, a couple of greens, an orange, or a smushed green, yellow, purple and yellow, salmon. Okay, then we get to specials. We have a small orange, iridescent. We have a larger red. These are faceted. Then we have a big red, which is not faceted. Gold, non-faceted. Some little silver, clear. Some little pinks. And then these beauties right there. So that's what we get for that. Pretty nifty. I had to get one. They had several patterns, different designs, and that's the one that I chose. That's one I liked. All right, so we got that. Okay, what else? I think I hear someone downstairs. Hopefully they'll stay quiet. Anyhow, boy, scissors. I'm just gonna be in a scissor mode today. And that is right at the edge, so I wanna be careful. Okay, all right. What else? Another special drill. Look, I can tell that special drill. Oh, this is one. I don't know why I haven't gotten this one yet. I've looked at this so many times. This is a flexible canvas. Love it. I don't know. Maybe I did. I don't think I did. Really, you guys, I don't think I've gotten this one. But it's a mandala. And it doesn't look like hardly anything there except for some green and red spots. But this is going to be so gorgeous. Wait until you see the special drills. There are, 17 of them. 17. It's not very big. That's a lot of drills. Okay, wait till you see these colors. All right, here are the rhinestones. Let's look at those first. There's quite a few of them. And there's more than just rhinestones here. There's not that many rhinestones. Most of that is special drills, you guys. Look at. Okay, so there's a whole bag of this light pink. And then silver. And then we move right into special drills. Look. A lot of clear. Then pink. Pink. Big white pearls. Oh my gosh. Rosy pink. Another pink. We got one of these, guys. What's that? Obviously for the center. A big silvery clear one. That's not all, though, folks. That's not all. Like I said, there's 17 different shapes. We have these. Yes. We have more pink. It's all pink. Pink, pink, pink. If you like pink, here you go. Pink. Rosy pink. Pink and clear. Pink and clear. More pink. Oh, and here's slivers. Thank you very much. Not very many, though. But it's all pinks, you guys. It's going to be beautiful. All pink. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I haven't gotten that yet. I've looked at it and looked at it and looked at it. But, all right. What's next? What's next? What's next? I don't know. It's getting warm in here. I might have to turn around and open up this window for a second. All right. What do we have here? Oh, okay. I told you this was Easter. Okay, hang on just a second. It is hot. Hang on. Ooh, let's get some breeze. Woo, yay. All right, so Easter, Easter, Easter. Yep, this is an Easter one. Poured glue. We can roll it backwards. Toolkit. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Drills. Look, pink. It's a pink day. It's a pink day. Numbers, letters, and pink. Look, there's an E. I bet you know what that says, right? I bet you know what that is. Look at it. It's a little Easter bunny with some Easter eggs. Isn't he cute? He's cute. He's just small, little, cute, fun. If you want to do something cute and fun for Easter, that would be perfect. Got a little flower here and some eggs. Isn't it adorable? It's adorable. Okay. I don't know. I don't know about all of this over here. It's supposed to look like just eggs. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. Flowers, though. Flower, flower. Egg, egg, egg. I don't know. It would be fun. It would just be fun. I'm not going to open up all the drills because, I mean, you can tell. It's multiple shades of pinks and some greens and some white. That's, you know, that's what it is. Not going to open up all of those because we have other things to look at as well. But that is super cute. Super cute. It wants to fold, but that's because of the plastic. If I took the plastic back, it would relax, but we're going to move on. Okay? Super cute. Super cute. All right. This one's skinny. He's skinny. Not very fat. Is there another special drill? I don't know. Lots of times the special drills are really like thin, if you know what I mean. Oh, and it's in another bag. And it is a special drill. Like I said, special drills are often just a thin little package. They don't have huge packages of drills, right? Okay. This one is going to be gorgeous. You know, oh, I love this canvas. It's one of the softer, flexible ones. I love these. These are so nice. Same toolkit, of course. Here's our drills. And this is going to be beautiful. It is a special drill. It's partial, though. It's real partial. That one is super partial. There is not a whole lot drilled. Flowers, flowers, bird, flowers. That's not much at all. But you know what? Okay, it's not special drill though, is it? No, it's just basically a partial. That's the first time I've done that in a long time. Ooh, look at all the purples over here with the browns hanging out. Look at, wow, we got stuff everywhere in this bag. Wow, they're everywhere. It is just a partial. It's pretty, but man, it's just a partial. Well, if you like partials, this would be a pretty one. It's a pretty bird. I thought it was either a full drill or I thought it was a full drill. That's what I thought. I didn't think it was a special. Do we even want to attempt to open this? I have no idea what's going on in here. Maybe we'll open it just to see what. Curiosity. And the thing is opening at the very top. If you can see that, the bag is, the glue is up there. I don't know. Are they loose or are they just, no, they're just like totally mixed up. I've never seen random drills this random. Yeah, nothing is loose. I mean, look at all the brown and the pink in there. And then look at this one. This peach just went peach. It just kept going. They're just really all over the place. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. I'm a little disappointed in that one, but it is what it is. If you like partials, there you go. All right, we got 2 things left. Let's go with this because this is fun, and I think I'm going to have to do a few of these real quick. They're Easter cards. At least some for the grandkids. Maybe I'll send them an Easter card, you know? Yeah, haven't seen the kids that are in Texas now for a year and a half or so. Might be nice to make them a little card. There's our toolkit. Oh, okay, so we have, maybe they're just all separate. I don't think they're by card. Maybe they are. Let's find out. How many cards are there? 4 cards. Maybe they are. Look. I got 4 things of drills, 4 envelopes. Here's my cards. Maybe each one gets its own bag. I don't know. I think it does. Look. FH001 and a 1. And look, this has a 4. Okay, they are. These are this only has 2 colors, guys. Oh, that's the one. That's this guy? No, that's number 3. Sorry, that's 3. Where's the one with the 1? Here's the one with the 1 on it. Okay, so these go with this card. They each get their own little bag, which is kind of cool. You can do 1 card, and you don't have to worry about kitting up and having all these drills until you finish all the cards. You could do 1 at a time. That's kind of neat. I like that. Okay. And how do you know the symbol? It's on there. A, C, B, and 1. Okay. Where do the 1s go? I don't see the 1s. Do you see the 1s? I don't. No, it has K's and everything. Okay, maybe I got the wrong card. I got the wrong card. What card is this one? Let's try again. This is card 4. Let's try to look for the bag that has the 4. Oh, there we go. That one goes with this card. Hello. Wake me up. Wake me up. Okay, anyhow, that goes with that card. This one says Happy Easter on some flowers. That one only has, that one's got to be this one. That's got to be that one. There we go. Let's see if I can figure these out. A, yep. B, F. That goes with that one. Happy Easter. Little chick. Look, it says Happy Easter. They got a picture on the back. All of them have a picture on the back. And then they have a nice picture inside, too. Look. Happy Easter. Cute. And then you can write a little note. So that goes with that one. See? Look. They have a little picture. They have the same picture, don't they? Inside. Yep, they do. Anyhow, and then here's the last guy. His colors. Cute. Yeah, I got to make some cards for the kids and send them to them. Happy Easter, kids. Yes. It's kind of hard to, you know, do much else unless I Amazon stuff to them, but those are cute. All right. Hello. I got one thing left. One thing. Are you still hanging in there? Still there? Still there? Okay, I hope so. All right, let's cut this one open and I'll show you this last one. And this one, it's just something. Ew, what do we got? I don't know. Ugh. I don't know. Okay, let's not touch that. That's sticky. I've looked at these for a while, like them. I don't know. It's just a winter scene. I know we're done with winter, but you know, I just can be for next winter. It's just got pretty colors. Trees, pretty sky, snow. It's just pretty. 18 colors. I liked it. All right. These will lay pretty flat if you pull the plastic back. If you just pull this back and then give it a nice little flattening, they flatten out pretty good just by doing that. And then by the time I go to work on them, you know, they've been laying around with other paintings on top of them, and they're really pretty flat. These are not things I've had to iron or anything in the past. They just kind of flatten out nicely. And then if you roll them, there's that goober. Then if you roll them the other way, I'm afraid to roll over the goober, but we will. Roll them the other way, flatten out that plastic. I even do this, you know, fold it like this, and just, they flatten out pretty quickly. Okay, there. All right, same toolkit as all of them. It's got 18 colors. Okay, let's show you the drill field. Let's look at the dark area. B's. Are there any R's? No, thank you. Those are all B's, and then G's. The and symbol. Everything looks clear. Everything looks easy to read. Yes, I don't think anything looks confusing. Yay! Especially when you get to dark colors. I'm glad that nothing looks confusing. We'll look at the colors real quick and I'll let you go, okay? So, thank you, Newhomy, for sending these. I'm going to have to do the cards first. And then I want to do that bag. So, it's all blues, right? There's a little bit of whites, mint, blue, 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 blue. That's even blue. It's just dark blue. Blue, 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 gray, blue, gray. And then we have a couple of purples. We have another like mint color, kind of a minty gray color, and another purple. So we got a couple purples, and the rest is basically blue. Pretty colors though. All right, so that's what I got, you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna have to work on some Easter cards here and get these out in the mail. I don't think they'll take a long time to do them, so hopefully you'll see some completed here pretty soon, because you know they're gonna be easy, right? They're gonna be easy. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's what I got, ladies and gentlemen. I do like that the drills came packaged per card, so you can do one card and not have everything kitted up. You know what I mean? All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Newhomy. Check them out. And, yeah, hit the like button if you liked the video. Okay? Subscribe if you've liked any of my videos and you want to see more. And come back. All right? I will see everybody soon. And, yeah, happy Easter. Let's have some nice happy Easter thoughts. All right. Talk to you later.